2 SRMBs, possibly 130. And this is not hurting my ears at all. These are not close enough to hurt my ears. But it does get loud when one is facing towards me. These do go off for like about 3 minutes every first Wednesday. And this is not a test. Don't worry. No, I should say worry. I don't know if that noise is thunder or just... There they go. That was kind of a jump scare. Yep. I pray that the warning isn't going to be for tornado weather, but I know it's going to be a very heavy storm because of this. Shout out to Rochester, Minnesota, Federal Signal 2001. Still a little ambient. This will conclude it.